धड़कन ये सांसें भी तुम्हारी है, तुझ बिना मैं कुछ भी नहीं मेरे गुरुवर. Hello, economics with the music dears. Today we are going to discussing about a 4 marks question. 4 marks question, numericals. Yes, this was the surprise. Oh ma'am, you broken this surprise very early, so we are not supposed to watch. No, young India, my dears, the human resource of the society. It's very important, my dears. 4 मार्क्स 4 मार्क्स में क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. 4 मार्क्स के कोई भी क्वेश्चन अपन स्किप नहीं करेंगे. अपन को स्कोर करना है 4 मार्क्स विद सिंपल न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम कंजम्पशन फंक्शन, सेविंग फंक्शन, इन्वेस्टमेंट मल्टीप्लायर. इजी. एंड these questions which I am making you to solve completely from the sample papers. Means continuously CBSE asked sample numerical questions which we are going to discussing and solving. Reducing our time, we beginning with our question. First question number 1. This question asked in the year of 2017 by CBSE. Okay, don't skip it. Come on. An economy is in equilibrium. When the economy is in equilibrium, AD is equal to AS. Okay, from the following data, an economy calculate autonomous consumption. We have to calculate autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption symbolically C bar. C bar is autonomous consumption. Okay, and income is given 5,000 rupees, 5,000, and marginal propensity to consume is 0.2, and investment expenditure is 800. What we have to calculate? We have to calculate autonomous consumption. Autonomous consumption. So before that, some थोड़ी बहुत मसाला हमको क्या करना है, ingredients हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा, prepare करना पड़ेगा. For that, we know that marginal propensity to save is given. Here we are calculating autonomous consumption, which means we have to go through the formula of consumption function. Before, marginal propensity to consume is equal to, we all know this formula, 1 minus MPS. What is MPS? Marginal propensity to is equal to 1 minus MPS. Okay, if you are having any doubt in this formula, you can watch my previous videos. It is uploaded here. Saving function and consumption function, everything is uploaded there. Marginal propensity to save means here 1 minus 0.2, right? 1 minus 0.2 marginal propensity to save. You will get 0.8. Okay, keep it in mind. Y is equal to C plus I. Don't forget this formula. Already we know that. Keeping this in our mind, one more formula is there. Consumption is equal to C bar plus B. B which implies marginal propensity to consume. Okay, B into Y, right? So that is equal to, here we know consumption, that means income. Understand? That is income. What is income here? 5,000 is our income. 5,000 is our income. 5,000 is equal to autonomous consumption. We don't know. We have to calculate. Okay, marginal propensity to consume we have calculated here. Marginal propensity to consume 0.8 into 5,000. Okay, so what answer you will get? You have to calculate. So 5,000 into what? 0.8. Then after, you know what we have to do is we have to multiply this. Now 5,000 is equal to C bar plus 0.8 into 5,000. We will get 4,000. Okay, 4,000 plus investment, consumption plus investment. Y is equal to C plus I. Consumption plus investment. What is investment here? 800. Okay. So what you will get here? 5,000 is equal to 4 C bar plus 4,800. Alright, and we can take this C bar out. So that is equal to 5,000 minus 4,800. What is the value here? What you will get? Autonomous consumption is equal to what? Rupees 200. Right? 100. Alright? So how to calculate this question? 2017 में आ चुके हैं एग्जामिनेशन में. आप लोगों को ये प्रैक्टिस करना है. ऑटोनोमस कंजम्पशन अपन कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? देखो बेटा, इनकम इज गिवन, मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू सेव इज गिवन 0.2, इन्वेस्टमेंट एक्सपेंडिचर इज 800. ओके, और मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम हमको निकालना है, क्योंकि बिकॉज इट इज रिलेटेड टू कंजम्पशन. ऑटोनोमस कंजम्पशन वी हैव टू take it out. Okay, so MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS, marginal propensity to save. So 1 minus 0.2, that is marginal propensity to save. Then after you will get 0.8 as a marginal propensity to consume value हमको मिल गया है. अभी अपना फॉर्मूला में डालना है. Consumption is equal to autonomous consumption plus B into B marginal propensity to consume MPC into Y national income. And here this formula, keep it in mind, because investment value is also there. Investment also considered to calculate national income. Okay, so 5,000 is equal to 5,000 अपना national income है, is equal to autonomous consumption plus MPC 0.8 into national income plus investment 800. So 5,000 is equal to autonomous consumption plus 4,800 हमको मिला है. So C bar is equal to this 5,000 जो आगे लेके गया minus 4,800, you will get 200 as your autonomous consumption. Another question from CBSE 2017. Here 2017. Okay, see the question. An economy is in equilibrium. From the following data, दिया हुआ क्वेश्चन से about an economy, calculate investment expenditure. सबसे पहले अपने आंसर दिया है autonomous consumption. Now investment expenditure, simple and easy. Understand? फालतू में हम लोग ये क्वेश्चन स्किप करके आ जाते हैं. 4 मार्क्स है, 4 मार्क्स. Okay, so income 10,000, which means national income. Marginal propensity to consume 0.9, autonomous consumption 100. Okay, we all know already y is equal to c plus I, no doubt. And this formula also we know, c is equal to c bar plus b into y. Nobody is having doubt. So consumption के साथ अपन investment भी तो डाल सकते हैं. y is equal to c. Income is equal to consumption. Understand? So income we are writing here 10,000 is equal to autonomous consumption 100 plus marginal propensity to consume 0.9. गड़बड़ तो नहीं किया मैंने? बिल्कुल नहीं किया, बिल्कुल सही जा रहा है. अभी नेशनल इनकम अपना कितना है? 10,000. ऑलराइट, देन प्लस अपना राजा इन्वेस्टमेंट. अपना राजा को क्या करना है? राजा की वैल्यू निकालना है. राजा राजा, चलो ठीक है, 10%. ऑलराइट, नाउ व्हाट? सिंपलीफाई. ऑलराइट, सो 10,000 इक्वल टू 100 प्लस, दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, अपन को क्या मिलेगा? 9,000 प्लस इन्वेस्टमेंट. राइट, वेरी सिंपल. अगेन इसको सिंपलीफाई करो. 9,100. I don't know हिंदी में कैसे बोलते हैं. 9,000. Alright, you are correct. Okay, 2,000 is equal to 9,100. Am I right? Correct. Okay, my dears. So अपने राजा को बाहर निकाल दिया अपन. I is equal to 10,000 minus 9,100 is equal to what value you will get? So what we will get? 900. So rupees 900. So this is investment. Simple and easy. 4 marks question. CBSE asked 2017 में. 2017 में 2017 में हमारा CBSE ने ये वाला सवाल पूछा था. हमको इस बार ऐसे मेथड आएगा तो 4 मार्क्स अपने पॉकेट में वेले मिले. This question asked by CBSE in the year of 2019. 2019 में पूछा है. देखो क्या था क्वेश्चन. Estimate the change in initial investment if marginal propensity to save is 0.1 and change in final income is 15,000. 15,000. Okay. So what we have to estimate change in initial investment if marginal propensity to save is 0.1. How to calculate marginal propensity to save, that is equal to 0.10. Okay, and change in income is given delta y, that is equal to 15,000. Right. So now we have to, K is equal to, we all know 1 by MPS, right? K which implies multiplier. Okay, multiplier K is equal to 1 by MPS. Now we will go through the formula 1 by, we will apply the value 1 by 0.10. 0.10. So what you will get is equal to 10. Okay, you will get 10. 1 by 0.1, which means 0 hata do, then 10 by 1, 10. Alright, so it's 10. Then we know that K is equal to delta y upon delta I. Right, this formula already we know. K is equal to delta y upon delta I. K, what is the value of K here? We have got 10 is equal to change in income 15,000 divided by delta I. We have to calculate change in investment. What do we have to calculate? Change in investment. Initial investment of marginal propensity to save. Okay, delta I we have to calculate. So delta I is equal to delta I is equal to 15,000 divided by 10. Okay, so you will get rupees 1,500. This is the answer. Number 4, and this question is asked by CBSE in the year of 2008. Okay, 2008 में question आया था. Question कैसे अपन calculate करेंगे? Look at here. In an economy, an increase in investment leads to increase in national income. कितने income increase होगा उतना income कितना investment increase होगा उतना income बढ़ेगा. So increase in investment क्या है? Look at here. Increase in investment is equal to change in investment. Okay, delta I, right? And increase in income is equal to 3 times delta I. है ना, क्वेश्चन में दिया है 3 times more than increase in investment. Okay, more than increase in investment, 3 times more than increase in investment. So increase in income is equal to 3 delta I plus this delta change in I. Okay, change in income, investment, change in investment. So that is equal to what? 4 delta I, 4 times more than investment. Okay, so 3 times more than means this delta I plus this 3 times delta I. You will get 4 del I, right? Now, investment multiplier. Investment multiplier means K. K which implies investment multiplier. Okay, so that is equal to, we know that what is investment multiplier? K is equal to delta Y upon delta I. Right? So change in income we have got. What is it, change in income? Change in income means increase in income here. Change in income is 4 delta I. 4 delta I. This is change in income. Okay. So that is equal to 4 delta I upon what? Delta I. Change in investment. So दोनों कट किया है. अपन को K is equal to 4 मिला. That is equal to 4. So K is equal to 4. Understand? Now how do we going to calculate? Alright, here I will write here. Okay, don't take the first. Alright, so 4 delta I upon delta I, that is equal to 4. Now what we are doing is, what more formula we know? We know that K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MBC. This formula we all know, right? 1 by 1 minus MBC. So K is 4. Already we know the value of K. K is equal to 4. So 4 is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. 1 by 1 minus MPC. That is equal to, we can take 1 minus MPC here. It's equal to 1 by, how can we do it? 1 minus 1 by 4, right? So 1 MPC is equal to 1 minus 1 by 4, 0.2 we all know, 0.2, that is equal to 0.75. So you will get MPC is equal to 0.75. This way we have to calculate. Understand? So see, look at again. In an economy, an increase in investment leads to increase in national income. Increase in investment. कितने investment increase किया है? ये क्या किया है? Income को increase करने के लिए क्या किया है? Support किया है, help किया है, lead किया है, leads to national income, which is how many times? 3 times. Right? So more than increase in investment, 3 times से ज़्यादा. Understand? Investment is more than 3 times, which leads to increase national income. तो हमको क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? We have to calculate marginal propensity to consume. We have to calculate marginal propensity to consume. So increase in investment is equal to delta I, we know, change in investment, and increase in income is equal to 3 times delta I plus delta I. So that is equal to 4 del I, that is the change in income. So investment multiplier K is equal to del Y upon del I. अपने फॉर्मूला है, अपन को ये फॉर्मूला सबसे पहले लिख के सॉल्व करना है बच्चों. del Y upon del I, so you will get a 4 delta I upon delta I. delta I कट गया है, इनको क्या मिला? 4 मिला. So K की वैल्यू क्या है? 4. ये 4 को अपन क्या किया है? नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला, अनदर फॉर्मूला 1 by 1 minus MPC, क्योंकि हमको क्या करना है? मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू कंज्यूम की वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है. सो K is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. So K की वैल्यू ऑलरेडी हमने कैलकुलेट किया है. दैट इज द फॉर्मूला चेंज इन इनकम अपॉन चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो that is 4. So 4 is equal to 1 by 1 minus MPC. 1 minus MPC is equal to 1 by 4. We will get 0.2 here and 2.5. Okay, 0.25. Right? So MPC is equal to 1 minus 0.25. You will get 0.75. Is that clear? So this is marginal propensity to consume. Maybe you all are seriously calculating and numerical questions, but my dears, it is not that much easy for making you children to solve these questions. And I am spending time and I am preparing questions and I am solving this. Means you have to be supportive, and for that you have to like my video and subscribe. Press the bell icon also without missing it, and this is the only motivation from your side. That is a big reward for me. I expecting that from each and every one of you. Come to the next question. This question is asked by CBSE in the year of 2010. 2010 में ये question आया था. Be very careful how to calculate. यानी even 2020 में जो sample paper में भी एक question दिया था. ये question अच्छे से देख लो. अपन कैसे solve करना है? We will quickly do it. Come on. In an economy, in an economy with every increase in income, in an economy with every increase in गड़बड़ कर दिया हमने starting से ही. Oh no, oh no, oh no. In an economy with every increase in income, 10% of rise in income is 10%. How many? 10% of rise in income is saved. Economy में कितना इनकम बढ़ रहा है उसमें से 10% क्या किया है इकोनॉमी ने सेव किया है. सपोज फ्रेश इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ ₹120 करोड़. फ्रेश इन्वेस्टमेंट इज ओनली 120 crore takes place in the economy. Calculate the following: change in income and change in consumption. हमको calculate करना है. How do we going to calculate change in income and change in consumption with every increasing income of 0.10% saved amount के साथ क्या करना है? फ्रेश इन्वेस्टमेंट 120 करोड़ है तो इकोनॉमी में कैसे अपन क्या कैलकुलेट करेंगे? चेंज इन इनकम एंड चेंज इन कंजम्पशन का वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? सो हियर नो नीड फॉर थिंकिंग मच. कम ऑन. चेंज इन सेविंग कितने परसेंटेज है? 10%. दैट इज इक्वल टू 0.10. यू कैन राइट change in saving 0.10, right? So we know that next formula. What is the next formula? So we know that K is equal to 1 by MPS, marginal propensity to save, additional ratio of saving. So that is equal to 1 by 0.10, right? We'll cut, reduce the formula here. We will cut it 0. Then you will get 10. How it is? We already know. It's a normal one, right? Point हटा दिया. फिर को क्या मिला है? 10. We have got it 10. Alright. Now K is equal to another formula. K is equal to change in income upon change in investment. Change in income and change in investment. Change in income and change in investment. So K is equal to K. We know the value of K is 10 here. K we already calculated. 10 is equal to change in income as it is. हमको लिखना है. Change in investment अपना fresh investment क्या है? That is our change in investment, right? So change in income is equal to, that is, आप लोग अच्छे से लिखना, ठीक है? इधर there is no space, इसलिए मैं ऐसे कर रहा है. What to do? Subscribe it. I will purchase new whiteboard. Okay, so change in income is equal to what? The poor teacher working for you children, and you just have to do only one thing: subscribe it. That's all. Okay, and delta y is equal to what? Yes, 10 multiply 120. You will get 1200. Okay, so change in income we have got. Now what is the next step of change in income? आपको मिल गया. अभी next step क्या है? What is the next step? Now change in income we have calculated. Now marginal propensity to consume, MPC. MPC is equal to 1 minus MP. Yes, we know, right? One more formula is there. MPC means that is equal to delta C upon delta Y, right? हमको change in consumption निकालना है. So what is it? MPC here, right? So MPC, how do we calculate MPC? 1 minus MPS. हमको MPS already we know that. What is the answer of MPS? Marginal propensity to save 10%. 0.10. So marginal propensity to consume 0.1. That means 0.9. You will get here 0.9. MPC you will get 0.9. Okay. So 1 minus 0.1. So you will get 0.9. So here 0.9 is equal to change in consumption. Change in consumption we don't know, and change in income we know, 1200. Right? So what we have to do is so is equal to 0.9 multiply 1200. Right? So what you will get? The change in consumption you will get. The change in consumption is equal to, that is our delta C. Delta C is equal to what? What is the answer? What is the answer calculated here? Come on. So delta C you will get 1080 crore. Okay, this is the answer. So अपने change in income 1200 and change in consumption 1800 crore. Right? This is all about this question. Once again, in an economy with every increase in income, 10% of rise in income. Rise in income is 10% increase हो रहा है. is saved. कितने income increase हो रहे हैं उसमें से 10% every increase in income से 10% economy ने save किया है. Suppose a fresh investment, एक change in investment. Fresh investment है कि नया investment. तो change in investment is 120 crore takes place in the economy. Calculate the change in income and change in consumption. Change in consumption. Change in income और change in consumption अपन को calculate करना है. How do we calculate change in saving? पहले अपन को value लिखना है. Change in value क्या है अपना? Change in value is equal to 10%, that is 0.10, and k is equal to k which implies investment multiplier, क्योंकि income बढ़ रहा है, इन्वेस्टमेंट इंक्रीज हो रहा है, इनकम बढ़ रहा है. सो क्या है, कौन सा फॉर्मूला अपन को अप्लाई करना है? मल्टीप्लायर वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. सो k इज इक्वल टू 1 बाय मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू सेव. मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू सेव है 0.10. इसको अपने सॉल्व किया है, हमको 10 मिला है. 10 क्या है अपना? k है, k. ठीक है, k इज इक्वल टू 10. राइट? और उसके बाद हमने k की दूसरा एक फॉर्मूला हमको पता है, चेंज इन इनकम अपॉन चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो k की वैल्यू हमको मिला 10. सो 10 इज इक्वल टू चेंज इन इनकम हमको निकालना है, कैलकुलेट करना है, डिवाइडेड बाय चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट. फ्रेश इन्वेस्टमेंट. फ्रेश इन्वेस्टमेंट मींस चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट, नया इन्वेस्टमेंट, चेंज इन इन्वेस्टमेंट. सो दैट इज 120. ये दोनों को अपन मल्टीप्लाई किया है, हमको क्या मिला है? चेंज इन इनकम मिल गया है, दैट इज 1200. राइट? दैट इज 1200 करोड़ हमको मिल गया है. नाउ इसके बाद हमने क्या किया है? यस, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन के आंसर हमको मिल गया. अभी सेकंड कौन सा वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना है हमको? चेंज इन कंजम्पशन कैलकुलेट करना है. चेंज इन कंजम्पशन यानी मार्जिनल प्रोपेंसिटी टू चेंज इन एडिशनल कंजम्पशन ड्यू टू एडिशनल इनकम. So marginal propensity to consume is equal to 1 minus MPS. It is the fundamental formula, already we know that. And marginal propensity to consume को अपन ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं MPC. 1 minus MPS क्यों निकाला है? क्योंकि हमको MPS का वैल्यू पता है 0.8 है, उसमें से हमको MPC का वैल्यू निकालना है. MPC का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए 1 minus MPS. So 1 minus 0.9. I mean 0.1. That is our saving, है ना? So 1 minus 0.1, you will get a 0.9. That is the answer of marginal propensity to consume. Then marginal propensity to consume is equal to change in consumption upon change in income. We all know change in consumption upon change in income is what called a marginal propensity to consume. Change in consumption due to change in income. So marginal additional what? Consumption. Change in marginal additional ratio of consumption. Marginal propensity to consume is equal to delta C upon delta Y. So 0.9 is equal to change in consumption upon 1200. Already हमको पता है, change in income हमने कैलकुलेट किया है, MPC का वैल्यू भी हमने इधर कैलकुलेट किया. नाउ ये दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डेल्टा C को बाहर निकाल दो, you will get a change in consumption, that is what? 1800 crore. This is the answer. This way we have to calculate, my dears. It is not that much easy for making you children to understand, because the reason that I have very small whiteboard with me, and for that I want to purchase a very big large size board. Subscribe and like my video. And part 2 numerical questions, again consumption function and saving function, 5 more questions I am going to upload. It is very important. From this 10 numericals, one method you will get in examination. Then sure, watch it, keep on watching and subscribe, don't forget it. Sandhya Kishore signing out. Bye bye. When I am uploading the video of our subject of economics. Do you want to score 100 on 100 marks? Don't skip it. You can definitely score full marks, I guarantee. Are you ready?